At Honey Can Do, we are your home source for organization, storage, and style. We make product assembly easy so that, well, any honey can do it. To begin, remove product contents and group all like parts. Extend each side support so that the movable part is on top. Snap the top movable part into place on each side. This locks the sides in an open position. Lay each side support on its side, like you might face your partner in bed when you aren't mad at one another. Insert the middle support bars into each side support, making sure that they are seated securely. Next, insert the remaining support bars and continue connecting the side supports. Now lift the drying rack into an upright position and finish inserting the upper support bars. There you have it, a drying rack that can appear and disappear. Simply unsnap the movable top of the rack, lower, and like magic, it's gone. Now if only you could say that about all that wet laundry you need to dry. At Honey Can Do, we don't believe you go broke to have a beautiful, well-organized home. And assembly should be easy to